What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am starting my day at our Duchess yard, and hopefully, let's knock on some wood real quick. Hopefully this video ends down at our main shop. I am driving my Terrastar down to our shop today. It is about an hour and probably 40 minutes of a ride down. There should be no issues. It just passed an inspection. We've driven it a little bit locally. Unfortunately, we're still dealing with a dead battery. Hopefully this thing will start right now. Let's see what happens. I would like to get on the road shortly, so hopefully it'll crank over. Nice. Turn this thing off. Let me put this battery charger away, and then we are hitting the road. All right, I think we are ready to hit the road. I got my health certificate in my pocket. I got our new registration right here. It is not on the window yet. The one that I have in the window expired yesterday. Today is November 1st. So if you're watching this, hopefully you had a good Halloween. I know it's about a week after Halloween already, but we should be good to go. New inspection, have the registration, got everything I need. Hopefully we run into no issues. We do have to, dump bodies up, get that down. We do have to sneak by the landscapers real quick. They are here doing a final cleanup of all the leaves. So they have their truck parked kind of in the way. We should be able to sneak on by. If not, I'll have to ask them to move it, but we'll see what happens right now. Oh, we should be good. Yeah, we're definitely good. Be a little bit of a bump here. Actually, we might not even hit this. Oh, perfect. A little off-roading with one tire, but no big deal. GPS says an hour and 43 minutes until we are there. Hopefully we take a little bit off of that, but I can't take highways, so we got to take back roads the whole way, which is why it's taking so long, but it shouldn't be terrible. Absolutely beautiful out. I wish this truck told me the temperature, but it's got to be in the 80s here today for November 1st. That is a great thing. So on this route that I'm taking, there's two spots that they do DOT checkpoints, truck inspections. One of them about a quarter of a mile up ahead, the next one in about 10 minutes. And it looks like we're sneaking by this one. They don't have it set up here today. If you're curious where it is, this is Handshakes Bar and Grill on Route 82 in, I believe this is Hopewell Junction, New York. So if you're a truck driver and you're from the area, heads up, that's one spot that they do set up from time to time. The other spot most people know about already. It's on Route 9 at the Highway Garage in Fishkill, just south of Home Depot, just south of Route 84. So we're about 10 minutes away from there. Hopefully that one is not set up today either. We'll have no issues going through them. The only thing I might not have is a flashlight in here, which if they give me a ticket for that, whatever. But I'm more concerned about wasting time at the checkpoint. So we're on Route 9 now in Fishkill, heading down towards Cold Spring. And right up here on the right is the highway garage that they do DOT stop at. And I think we got lucky today. It looks like they are closed here as well. It would be right here on the right. Made it by both of them today, which is a great thing. No wasted time. Should be smooth sailing down to our shop. The truck is running great, no issues at all. Beautiful weather, sun is shining, got the windows down. I'm gonna throw this on a quick little time lapse for the rest of the ride down, and I will see you guys when we get to our shop. One thing I forgot about is occasionally they do checkpoints on the other side of this bridge. Usually just one truck at a time. Hopefully they're not set up there either. We are pretty close to the home stretch. This is the Bear Mountain Bridge. I got to get across this bridge and then just sneak through some back roads, and we're pretty much at our shop. Just hope they're not set up on the other side of the bridge. I think we are in the clear. Don't see any trucks set up. So when they do the checkpoint on this bridge, they do it right here on this striped section. Usually they just have one or two DOT guys set up. All right guys, made it down to our shop. The truck ran absolutely perfect, no issues at all. We have it parked here in front of our salt bin I left it here rather than down in the row with the rest of the trucks because more than likely we'll have to jump it again. We are going to get new batteries and put it in this. These batteries are no good. We can't be dealing with having to charge it or jump it every time we need to run this truck. But I am super excited to get some more seat time in this thing come this winter. I forgot how much I enjoy driving this truck. I wouldn't mind driving it every day if I didn't live so far away and I didn't have to worry about going on certain highways and whatnot. It would just make my drive so much longer. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.